Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about dialog to Flutter. Now we update default project and update material 2 from material 3. Write debug show checked mode banner false. Then write them, write use material 3, write true, save. Then update title, write dialog, Flutter, save. Next, remove counter, then write text button on pressed, write show dialog, write build context, write return dialog child, write padding, write edge insets all 8.0, write sized box, save, write child, then write column and write main axis alignment and write main axis alignment center, children, write widget text and write this is at typical dialog, a typical dialog, save. Write sized box, write height 15, then write text button, then write navigator pop context dot pop context, child, write text widget, then write close, save. Write const sized box and add text save, right this, next. Child, write text, show dialog, save, add const, write sized box, write height 10, save, add const, next widget text button on pressed, next we write widget text, write show full screen dialog, full screen dialog, save, next write dialog dot full screen, and write child, write widget column, children, main axis size, write main axis size min, write main axis alignment, main axis alignment center, write widget text, and write this is a full screen dialog. Save. Right, sized box, height 15, write text button and add on pressed, then write widget text and write close, save, and write to on pressed navigator dot pop navigator dot pop context and add const, sized box to const, close to const, save. And now we test how work dialog, typical dialog and full screen dialog. Hot restart. Open show dialog and we can update size, main axis size, min, save, close, and now we open show full screen dialog and write show dialog and add to builder, build context, return, save, and we open full screen dialog. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.